Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sharon. I'm a product manager and responsible for the embedded system product line of IEI. Today, I will introduce the new product of our embedded system series, and you can easily understand what kind of product and the solution we can provide to you. We will have a session to discuss after presentation. We sure welcome any of your questions. In recent years, IEI focused on developing embedded systems for industrial automation, transportation, digital signage, and medical. We provide a total solution for different vertical markets to improve efficiency for data acquisition, analysis, and precise prediction. We also have a complete line of embedded system products which are fanless and designed to resist vibration, shock, and extreme temperatures. From here, you can see that our products can fulfill different vertical markets. Therefore, no matter what kind of application it is, you can choose the suitable products from our list for you or your customer. We have complete solution, and our product can fulfill your demand easily. The first vertical market is factory automation. For factory automation, we are developing new products for Intel Blackwell and Skylake CPU. The Blackwell, we have launched two new products. One is TANK-610 for industrial automation. The other one is UIBX250 for compact size. And our IDS-300 for digital signage will be launched very soon. For Skylake platform, there are three new products under development. One is TANK-870 with Q170 chipset, which is multiple backplane for expansion, and a triple display for different applications like machine vision. We plan to launch this model in Q4 this year. The other one is TANK-870E with H110 chipset. The E represents economy edition. We provide this entry-level tank for customers to create more business opportunities. And we also redesign the appearance. We plan to release this Skylake platform in Q2 next year. The next one is TANK-620 with Skylake ULT CPU. In this model, we provide multiple COM ports and USB ports. We plan to release this product in Q4 next year. And now I would like to give you some scenarios of what kind of value our products can provide to you. This is TANK-870 application. The TANK-870 is Skylake platform with Q170 chipset, and this model can support triple display, rich high-speed I/O interface, and flexible expansion. The target market will be focused on factory automation, machine automation, and machine vision. The TANK-870 can connect with IEI barcode reader through USB 3.0, and we can connect IEI's capture card and PoE expansion card to connect IP camera for inspection or surveillance. Also, it can connect with tablet PC or PDA through Wi-Fi for remote monitoring. All devices I mentioned here belongs to IEI industrial products. Therefore, we can offer you complete factory automation solution. The advantage is that the TANK-870 equips 4-pin internal power connector. adding more flexibility to the embedded system in industrial environment. If the customer would like to use add-on card like USB 3.0 expansion card, this connect can be used to provide 5 voltage with 3 ampere and 12 voltage with 3 ampere. And the other new products for Skylake is TANK-870-E with H110 chipset. So we redesigned the appearance for this model. So this outline is totally different with our standard TANK-800 series products. This model we can support two dual display, VGA and HDMI. And this model have complete functions and a competitive price with high performance. We also reserve 2 mini PCIe expansion, so the customer can install Wi-Fi module. And we also reserve the internal power connect like the TANK-870 like this slide. The next scenario is in a station. Our TANK-6 series has multiple components that is suitable for this application. TANK-610 is a Braswell platform. It can support multiple components and a wide range temperature. The target application will be focused on ticket vending machine, automatic gate, and ATM. The TANK-610 can be used as one of basic equipment in the station. It has multiple components, allowing it to easily control automatic gate machine and ticket checking machine for access control system. We also can use TANK-610 in ticket vending machine. Another application is in the station is for automated fare collection. Therefore, we designed the TANK-620 with the Skylake ULT. It can support up to 14 components and a wide range temperature. Regarding to our survey, the ticket machine and the ATM might need more components to access like barcode reader, fingerprinter, IC card, credit card, cash, ticket, or automatic gate, and also need a DIO function to control some indicator lights. For this reason, we designed this product to meet the requirement of this application. The next solution for vertical market is medical solution. The various medical certification you see on this page would be the first gate you have to pass through. Therefore, all our medical products, no matter for panel PC or box PC, have to obtain this certification without any doubt. For manufacture, the production process should be compliant with ISO 13485, which is the standard for medical devices quality management system. For product itself, the quality should be compliant with all these certifications surrounding the center circle, such as IEC 60601-1 for safety, and IEC 60601-1-2 for EMC, and ISO 14971 for risk management. Also, our BIOS and usability need to pass these two certifications in showing others. Okay, so we do our best to satisfy all requirements from our customer. So we developed a whole new product line with high performance for medical market. The new product line called HTB, an abbreviation of its healthcare terminal box. HTB the other meaning is we have a famous Chinese starter called Huatuo. So that's why we get this idea for this our medical box PC. We hope we can like our Chinese starter Huatuo to save lots of people. Okay, so HTB would be the medical grade box PC and comply with various medical certification, but also care about the safety to the hospital personnel and the patients. As you might know, electrical surge might cause some damage and malfunction to the devices, sometimes even hurt the patient indirectly. Thus, the isolated ports should be the standard specification for comprehensive protection against electrical surge. Furthermore, we are devoted to provide the user-friendly design products to the customer. Fanless and cableless design ensure extended long-term usage and bring more convenience while cleaning. Rich I/O and expansion slot provide maximum flexibilities in the real-time situation. Our HTB medical box PC has some other important features in addition to obtaining medical certification. The top cover can support IP41 waterproof protection in order to avoid any accidental shutdown caused by water damage and then indirectly affect patients. So our top cover can support IP41. We also design a cable cover in order to avoid cable damage caused by people intentionally or unintentionally. So we design this cable cover. This box PC is fanless and supports extended temperature with up to 40 degrees and flexible expansion. This is our specification for HTB-100. We use Intel HM170 chipset, and our components can support isolation up to 4 kV, and we also design the M.2 for A key and the E key. We also reserve the expansion so the customer can expansion for PCIe by 16. So the customer can install IES capture card and graphic card. The HTB medical grade products could be used in various applications in the hospital, in ICU, operating room, and the emergency room. HTB could operate with other life support systems and can expand add-on card like IES capture card for medical imaging inspection during surgical. For daily ward, nursing station, and lab, our HTB could connect with monitors to record the data from patients or specimen experiment. The flexible expansion functions we provide could make the hospital environment more convenient. The next vertical is our digital signage. IEI digital signage series can display information in various industrial environments, such as retail, restaurant, and public transportation, like flight information at airports. Our digital signage solution provides entry-level and fanless and low-power system. This model can support triple display for 4K 2K resolution, and is only 39 mm in height. So it's the best choice for you to implement in digital signage and video wall application. And here is our specification for IDS-300. In addition to triple display, we also designed two mini PCIe expansion slots, so the customer can install 3G or Wi-Fi for sending data to the back office. And we also designed two mounting way like wall mount and Visa. The last vertical market is our transportation solutions. Here is our transportation system roadmap. We are developing new products for in-vehicle, railway, and transportation surveillance. The IVS 300 in-vehicle system and the IRS railway system both support Skylake ULT processor. IVS 300 can support 4 PoE and is compliant with EMARC. The IRS complies with EN 50155 standard and has passed tests for vibration, shock, and wide temperature. We will launch these two models in Q2 next year. We are also developing a product platform for IVS-110 in-vehicle system, which features dual SIM card holder and can support Android 6. This product will be launched in Q3 next year. And now I would like to show you our matrix for transportation products. As you know, we have embedded box for in-vehicle and railway system, but we also have in-vehicle panel PC in our product list. So here is our in-vehicle panel PC. We can support the size from 7 inches to 10 inches. And the platform we can support Freescale and Intel Atom. And for this matrix, I want to introduce our new products for ITCS 100. The target market of these products is transportation surveillance. So those models marked in red are our new products. And now I would like to introduce our IVS in-vehicle system application. Actually, the IVS is designed with reliable performance for harsh environment. Our in-vehicle system can be used in different applications without any limitation, such as bus, taxi, and truck. So for this scenario, our IVS can be installed on the bus. So our IVS is built in with OBD2 function so that it can be used to check the vehicle status like temperature, pressure, and engine. In the other side, you can connect 4 IP cameras through the PoE ports for surveillance. Furthermore, with real-time streaming NVR logs, critical moment can be recorded when accident happens, therefore enhancing safety of drivers and passengers on the move. And our IVS can connect payment systems through COM port or USB port. The IVS is integrated with GPS module, allowing users to check the bus and identify its location quickly. And now I would like to show you a video about our success story for fleet management. This is our company called Capital Star. It's a bus company, and they use our IKARPC panel PC in vehicle. The customer install our IKARPC on the bus, so this system can check driver's alcohol detection, job dispatch, and the navigation application. And they also can check the traffic information through IKARPC. And we can keep communication with the back office. If the driver has some situation, they can inform the back office to get some support. And here is our IRS railway application. In this picture, you can see various applications of the IRS. The IRS can connect PoE switch to IP camera for surveillance application and provide real-time video monitoring to ensure passenger safety. And the IRS can install 3G or GPS module can be used to as train control system for data collection. It can deliver real-time information from the surveillance system to the control center while sending message to the passenger information system. Through our IRS passenger information system can instantly display information on the screen. Therefore, our railway solution can easily fit your future demand. And here is our ITCS-100 with Intel HA1 chipset. The target market of the ITCS will be the toll station on freeways. What's the application for this model? Its components can be used to connect the device through truck scale. And its DIO ports can be connected e-tag. And the IES capture card can be installed for surveillance in toll station. We assume this product won't be installed in vehicle. Therefore, the ITCS is compliant with CE and FCC only. From all the information we mentioned in this webinar, you can see that IEI is making major effort in developing innovation products to lead the IPC industry. We are committed to supporting customers to create and deliver better products and services, making you more productive, more environmentally friendly, and ultimately more profitable. Thank you for your participation, and thank you and your precious time. Hope this webinar can help you grow your business. Thank you.